Follow me on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube at Zandrama.
Millie, don't take nothing from Tracy. If you take it, me I warn you, girl. Everybody I go hear about it. She want you tell God thanks and give she all the glory. As long as life is, girl, you're not gonna stop hear the story.
Think she nice? Watch out, you know? A she named Brokan Bossy. A credit card the girl live on. Go on, Tracy, with a little bit of money. My ignorant fear bad. I want to hide my ID and dash out the whole of business pan pink wall. Hey, Millie, hold me now. Because I'm going to lick the girl that today any of me hear my name call. Hold me strong, you know, Millie. Hold me with all your might. For you know me that's run off my mouth. Millie, you know some I can't fight. But the girl no need to know that. She out and bright. She come talk about adultery is a sin. Want teeth in light. She talk about say she give Patrick the first pair of clocks where I'm wear. She should have shame for talk. Cause when me see Patrick in there, it have a big old dirty tear. Hey, but a she bus Wingy. Cause Wingy can wear the part like back up on shelf. And she bus everybody. I wonder when she go bus herself. See her friend there, Marsha. I mix up Troops in name, she a lesbian. She really a talk about Troops' life. And she a breed for married man. All her first son, what she get to Peter. You see him favor Joe? She never know who she breed for. So she ain't him anymore. She talk about so she have her own business. She lie. She need to stop it. Unless she's a designer or a tailor. Cause a 5 man now she get jacket. And the jacket them now fits alright. Me know what me a talk about. About 5 DNA, about 6 DNA case she have lined up down a family court. Anyway, I don't have no time for watch nobody business. I feel me one day I spoil. I dash too much belly goods, so I can't produce a child. That's why I take over my niece and every them. I'm not ashamed for talk. Why me must shame when them catch your son pan donkey and see him there, still a walk? Yeah, morning donkey man. Don't come in at the house with those shoes. But just put on the genie for polish on the floor now. Hey Millie, talk to him now, cause this is a form of abuse. You get back your COVID test yet? Boy, Millie, you look like you're afraid. Donkey man! Run go down a Miss Chin shop, go trust 2 cigarettes. Matter of fact, don't bother do it. We forgot some quit smoking week before last week. Don't cry, Millie. Oh God. I feel it to my heart. I mean, I pat your back and hush you, but remember, good girl, 6 feet apart. COVID not so bad now, cause enough people me want to avoid. Anytime them invite me out nowhere, I tell them I go and stay inside. You know how much people you need for social distance yourself from? They're more harmful to you than corona. Them a wear mask long before COVID and I pretend like say them in your corner. Anyway, I go lie down and rest my tired body. Who bad break Tracy just said that she belly? Video the fight a donkey man. Come and know this has go viral. You think me afraid of your bad break Tracy? Millie, remember for all me girl. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube at Zandrama.